Your engine could be silently wearing out right now, and most drivers don't even realize it. Today, you'll see the exact professional way to change engine oil and a shocking comparison that reveals what cheap filters hide. Introduction to the system. Modern gasoline engines rely on computerized fuel injection systems that demand clean lubrication to operate efficiently. Engine oil isn't just for lubrication, it cools, cleans, and protects internal components from wear, preparing tools and safety. Before starting, gather your tools, oil filter wrench, drain pan, socket set, funnel, and fresh 5W30 engine oil. Always ensure the engine is slightly warm, not hot, to allow smooth draining. Safety gloves are a must. Draining the old engine oil. Position the drain pan under the oil plug and carefully loosen it. Watch as the old oil flows out. This is where years of dirt, carbon, and metal particles leave your engine. Removing the old oil filter. Next, remove the oil filter. This component traps contaminants, and over time, it becomes clogged. Be ready, oil may spill as you loosen it. Old versus new oil filter comparison, key viral moment. Now comes the part most people skip. Compare the old and new filters using a caliper. Measure the height, diameter, and sealing surface. You'll notice differences that affect filtration performance and oil flow. Why filter quality matters. A worn out or poorly designed filter can reduce oil pressure and allow contaminants to circulate. This can shorten engine life significantly. Always choose a high-quality filter that matches specifications. Installing the new oil filter. Before installing, apply a small amount of fresh oil to the rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal and prevents leaks. Tighten it by hand, never over-tighten. Adding new engine oil that recommended by manufacturer. 10W30, 20W50, 5W30 according to the climate you are working. Use one at a time. Never mix. Pour in the recommended engine oil slowly using a funnel. Check the dipstick to ensure the level is correct, neither too low or overfilled. The right amount keeps your engine balanced and efficient. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for leaks and recheck the oil level. That's it, you've just done a professional level oil change. Follow for more real car care secrets most mechanics won't tell you.